I just wanted to make a quick video to go with my Home Depot review of the CARRO black crystal ceiling fan. It is absolutely gorgeous. Installation was a little bit slow for me. I did it myself, but it was well worth it in the end because this ceiling fan is so beautiful. Let me see if I can zoom on the crystal globe. It does not come with the light bulbs, and there's the small light bulbs, are kind of like the ones you put in chandeliers, the little flames. So I happen to have two of them, but I need to get the third. But you can see how absolutely beautiful it is. And a wonderful thing about it is that you don't have to install one of those remote receivers in the fan box. Everything is probably inside the fan and motor itself. The blades, the reddish brown with the black, is absolutely gorgeous. The fan has 10 speeds, which to me is pretty amazing. And everything's on the remote. You can also set timer. You can set it up to 8 hours. It has 10 speeds. I don't know if I said that yet. It's beautiful. It's not too heavy when you go to hang it up, so that was a blessing in disguise. You know, when you're up on that ladder, you don't want to be holding that heavy thing all by yourself. So if you're going to be installing it yourself, you know, you can put your mind at ease. But it's so pretty. It's so absolutely pretty. And it makes a nice breeze. And the remote also switches the directions for summer and winter. Let me just put it really slow so you can see. And, you know, I have pictures on my Home Depot review so you can see it better close up in that. So let me shut the light and see if I can't zoom on. It's very quiet. That's my cat purring. It's not the fan. So. All right, so I just quickly wanted to show you what a nice, gorgeous, beautiful fan it is, how well made it is, how much of an upgrade to your home it is. It comes with a lifetime warranty, which also is pretty amazing. It's really stunning in person, I have to say. You know, there's the top of it. And you can see how nice it is, how really pretty everything is. So can't go wrong. Can't go wrong, not for this price.